All right, after a few years, I finally got this together, collecting the components one at a time. Now, first off, this inverter needs 2 of the mini Power Queens to run. I bought one and it wouldn't work. It would shut the BMS off, and I was a little upset about that. But the last thing was to find a case to hold the 2 batteries. And this I found at Harbor Freight. It's the Apache 5800 rolling carry-on case. It works absolutely perfect. Now my hook up through here, these grommets are gonna go, and I'll have to use some silicone. But this is our inverter, powered on at 13.4 volts. I haven't tested this out with a grinder yet, but that's what we're gonna do. But I just want to show the build. This is the box, and I'll just open this up real quick. I have a charge controller here for solar panels for future once I get all that hooked up. I got a charger for lithium ion batteries, and all my cords fit over here. These are the 2 batteries. The box comes with foam that you can modify, so I've got a piece of foam underneath this just to keep it stabilized. I also have a 200 amp fuse link right there, and I'm not sure, I'm just learning on all this kind of stuff, but this is my build. I'm gonna feed the cord down in there, and perfect. So now we'll try this inverter. We'll turn it on, and I'm gonna plug this in. This is 7.5 amps, so I'm not exactly sure how many watts it's gonna be pulling. We'll just check this out right here, if you can see that. If I got this camera doing 109 volts. Now, this unit's cool too by itself. This is for grinding cement. You hook a vacuum up to this, and it really keeps the dust low. So that's my build. This is the box, and it also has whatever. This has wheels, so it rolls, but it's very heavy. It's like 50, 60 pounds, maybe. I don't know. Batteries are supposed to be 20 a piece, plus the box and the little components. So that's 40. I think it's 50 pounds. Very well built, sturdy. Portable battery power on wheels. Weighs approximately 50 pounds.